Alright, gearheads, ever feel the urge to resurrect a legend? Today, we're diving deep into the world of motorcycle restoration, and trust me, it's gonna be a wild ride. We're talking about bringing a 1990s Yamaha back from the dead. Now, these bikes were the stuff of dreams back then, and if you're lucky enough to have one, or stumble upon a neglected gem, you're in for a treat. First things first, the teardown. This is where you get intimate with your future masterpiece. Grab your tools, a good workspace, and prepare to get dirty. Every bolt, every wire, every piece of plastic gets meticulously removed. Take photos. Seriously, take a million. You'll thank me later when you're scratching your head, wondering where that one tiny washer goes. Label everything too. Trust me on this one. It's like a puzzle, and you're the master builder. Next up, the cleaning. Oh, the cleaning. Years of grime, grease, and who knows what else have to go. Degreaser, elbow grease, and maybe a pressure washer are your best friends here. You want every component sparkling before you move on. Think of it like a spa day for your bike. A very, very dirty spa day. Don't skip the frame. A clean frame is the foundation for everything. Then comes the inspection. Now, this is where you decide if your project is a rebuild or a complete overhaul. Check everything. The engine, the suspension, the brakes, the wiring harness. Look for wear, tear, and anything that just isn't right. This is where you might need to make some tough decisions, like do I really need to rebuild the engine? Now, time for the rebuild. Start with the engine, because that's the heart of your beast. This can be a challenging part, so be sure to refer to the proper manuals. Then move on to other essential parts such as the brakes. Fresh parts or rebuild kits can make a huge difference in performance and safety. Don't skimp here. Quality matters. Then, the cosmetics. Time to make your bike look as good as it rides. This might involve a fresh paint job, new seat, and some shiny new parts. This is where you can let your creativity shine. Remember, you're not just restoring a bike, you're creating a work of art. After everything is assembled, and everything is clean, it's time for the moment of truth. Does it run? Will it start? This is the point when the anticipation is at its highest. Don't be surprised if it takes a few tries or some adjustments. Don't give up. Persistence is key. Finally, the first ride. The reward for all your hard work. The feeling of the engine purring beneath you. The wind in your hair. The pure joy of bringing a classic back to life. It's a feeling you won't soon forget. Restoring a 1990s Yamaha is more than just a project. It's an adventure. It's a chance to learn, to grow, and to create something amazing. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there, find your project, and start your own restoration journey. You got this.